We're live! Hi,
Yeah, hello
everyone!
everybody. Hello from
We're
Abu
here
Dhabi.
now on Mini Talk. Woohoo! Hello, 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 everyone.
Hello.
Worldwide online entrepreneur. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, I'm Fon. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
Thank you for accommodating this Mini Talk. And I know we have time difference. What time is there in Abu Dhabi now?
It's exactly 9:01 p.m.
Oh, it's almost 8 hours, 8 hours of difference because right now it's 12 in noon Central Time here in I'm here in Canada, Manitoba, Canada right now. So thank you so much
Okay.
for accommodating. I know you're so
How's the
busy.
weather out there?
Mhm. I know you're so busy, but you were able to accommodate this one. So let's start
Oh
on
yeah,
our
yeah.
Q&A. So now, maybe you can just introduce yourself and when did you start this online business?
Okay, my name is Mfon Hansen Ofem. I'm Nigerian, but I work as an expert in Abu Dhabi. Actually an engineer. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I actually have been working online for the past 2 years. Actually, I started working online as an affiliate marketer
Oh,
for
really?
ClickBank and
Mhm.
yes, and Max Bounty. So I actually came in contact with this particular opportunity, I think October, November last year, and I committed
Mhm.
fully December last year. So it's
Mhm.
been an amazing journey, and I'm really, really excited for the future.
Yeah, great. Yeah, I saw your journey here and I'm so excited to hear more about you. So, what is your favorite thing about this online business?
Actually, my favorite thing about this online business is the fact that this business allows you that passive income and freedom of time, to create that ideal lifestyle that we all dream of. So you can actually work this business from your phone, from your laptop, anywhere in the world, whenever you want, anytime you want. So for me, that is a perk about this business. So that is my strong point about this business, the flexibility and the freedom that it allows you.
That is great to know. And I know when I started this business, something changed. You know, a lot of change in my life. And on your perspective, what did change in your life when you started this kind of business?
For starters, if somebody would have told me that I would be live on social media, a couple of years back, honestly, I will. I would laugh my head off because I wasn't a social media fan. I never had any social media presence, and I actually thought people were wasting their time online. Actually, so this is
Mhm.
what this business community does for you. I've actually seen people move from just being mere followers to leaders in this in this business community. In the past year, I've learned so much. This business community has impacted my life so much. I've picked up a lot of improvement training. I've picked up a lot of digital skills, and there's a lot of meta learning opportunity in this business community. And there's a lot of coaching and mentorship and training and so many things that if somebody is looking out to or start an online business, I really recommend that this is a very amazing, a very good opportunity. There's so
Yeah.
much to learn. It's been a learning curve. So a lot of has changed in terms of my personal self-improvement, and also being around like-minded people, people that are positive. I have seen what is possible. I've seen what is possible if you're willing to open your mind and apply yourself in the direction that you want your life to go. So it's been a blessing actually.
It is very, we are so grateful. And I believe when you hit that opportunity, I know when opportunity knock, you just go and learn it
Yeah,
later, right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, so you also said you recommend. So with the effort that you have done in this online business, is this something that you recommend to any people from walks of life? I know that you are an engineer, you know, I believe that already on that earning, great income for your family, right? But is this something still you can recommend to any people from walks of life and anyone who are not even savvy or techie?
Okay, I would say that if you want something that you've never had, you have to be willing to do something that you have never done. I've worked 9 to 5 for the past 16 years, and I've realized that my dreams are bigger than my paycheck. So I have the option of either shrinking my dreams to the size of my paycheck or increasing my income to the size of my dream. So that is why I have gone on this journey. My journey is to increase my income to the size of my dreams. So I'm not only recommending this opportunity to people that are newbies or not tech savvy. I'm actually recommending this opportunity to people from the corporate culture, people from, home-based business arena, entrepreneurs, independent contractors, seasoned sales professionals, marketers, people from different walk of life. So far, you are looking for that positive change. If you are looking for a rewarding business opportunity, if you're also looking for an excellent income potential, if you're looking to join an exploding industry, if you're looking for a spectacular bazaar, this is it. You need not look any further. They say that successful people check things out. So they don't prejudge. They look at information from all angles, from all directions. So in this business, we are constantly looking for people who are serious about making career moves with
Yep.
excellent, sensational income potential. This is it. You have to check this out. You do not have anything to lose. Uh, what if, I want to ask you a question. What if this was that perfect business opportunity? What if this changes everything for you and you don't check it out because of rumors? I want you to check this out. This might be a perfect fit for you. I would not be sitting here if I had not checked out the opportunity that was presented to me. So I just want to encourage everybody, just check it out. You've got nothing to lose.
Yes, I agree with that. They have nothing to lose, and
Yeah.
especially here in this worldwide online entrepreneur, we hit 3,000 members. Yeah, last, I think just last night we hit that 3,000, and a lot of people are realizing what is happening in the internet world right now, the
Yeah.
digital world,
Yeah.
right? We are leveraging what we can do in the internet now, especially with this kind of time that we have lots of time to stay home, and why not
Yes.
leverage that time, right?
So
And that's
instead of just being on social media and liking and unliking and clicking and scrolling down a news feed endlessly looking for what I don't know, you
and
can
be
actually
that
do
one,
something useful.
I've been there too. I'm on my cell phone all the time, checking
Yes,
my
yes.
social media without even anything in return. But now
Yeah,
I leverage my time, and I am so
yeah,
grateful I was able to do that, and try this kind of opportunity, or a potential for you to have a backup plan.
yeah.
And things are not stable now, and this is,
True, true,
for me,
true.
on my perspective, the best backup, my option, my
The
back
best plan
option,
B.
and plan B, that was able
Yeah,
to change my life. And the amazing thing that I love on this online business is meeting people just like having this
yeah,
same perspective in life, having a positive look in our life. And I
oh
was
yes,
so
yes.
amazing how you can do this also. So, with what can you tell to these people who just new in this group, and what can you recommend to them?
Okay, I would like to tell people that this group is just a group of like-minded individuals. You know, in this group, we are showcasing a home-based a digital business opportunity. We are offering the underdogs the opportunity to break free from every traditional industrial socioeconomic chains that might have, kept them enslaved over time. That is our message. We are calling people to service because this is not just a come and make money opportunity. It's
Yeah.
actually, yes, it's not just a come and make money opportunity. It's a call to service. We've seen people realize, through freedom of time. We've seen people, realize through physical, mental, and financial health in this business community. I want people to wake up to the fact that the connective sharing economy is here to stay. And the world has shifted from a traditional economy to a digital economy. So if you're not digitally savvy on board, you're going to be left behind. So this is an opportunity for you. If you enjoy helping people, this is an opportunity for you to come and serve people, to make a positive difference in this world. So that is all I can say. That's what this group is all about.
Yeah, don't be left behind, guys. I know we invited them to watch our free complimentary workshop. What do you think they can learn from that workshop?
Oh my God, that is the most important. I think what you're going to learn in this online workshop is the ultimate, what I call the ultimate millennial lifestyle business model that gives you that maximum freedom and flexibility. In this workshop, we step back, we lay it all out. We show you how us and thousands of other people like us are creating and generating incredible income online, just leveraging automated systems. We're going to show you all the step-by-step training. We're going to bring you into all our mentorship programs, the coaching programs, the tools, and the processes that we are using, to set our own schedules, run our own online businesses, and live life on our own terms. One thing I want to ask you is, can you ever imagine just, waking up, hanging out at home, anywhere in the world, and being paid for helping others, making other people happy, and live abundant, fulfilled life? Can you imagine that? That is what this opportunity is all about. That is what this
Yeah.
opportunity is all about. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're tired of just existing and you want to make a positive difference, this is that opportunity for you. If you want to wake up every day happy, excited, about the job ahead for that day, this is opportunity for you. If you want to earn an incredible income while helping others, this is the opportunity for you. We're going to show you how we are making this happen for ourselves, the tools, the processes, all what we are using. We are going to give it to you, for you to set your own schedule, create your own online business, and, earn income in demand, consistently from the comfort of your own home, from anywhere in the world. That is what we are promoting. So if your answer is yes, a lot of people, say, right now I'm swamped. I don't think I can add one more thing to my workload. I can also tell you that the fact that you are swamped is the exact reason why you should consider starting this online business, because there's time, freedom, and flexibility in the future, in the long run. Also, some people come up with the excuse of, I don't think I can start something new. I can tell you I'm working 9 to 5 and I'm doing this business on the side. So you can actually do this business on top of whatever you are doing. Some people come up with the excuses of, oh, I do not have the income to start anything new. I want to ask you a question. Is this the same excuses you're giving when you want to buy that nice couch? If you look around in your living room, yeah, there are a lot of beautiful things. That television that you just bought, all these things that you afforded, you got them not because you needed them. You got them because you wanted them. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you want to change your life and take control of your future, you have to make that decision. I cannot make that decision for you. Sacrifices has to be made. So that is just it. Everyone that came into this business opportunity, a lot of people in this business opportunity didn't really have much, but they were tired of living without, and they quickly realized that their 9 to 5 paycheck was not going to take them out of debt and was not going to give them that lifestyle that they want for themselves and their families. So they made a change. They decided to take action. So that is what we are asking you to do today, to take action. If you
Yes.
want something to change in your life, You have to change something for that thing to change. But if you continue doing the same thing day in, day out, year in, year out, you should be sure, 100% sure, that you're going to get the same results. If you change nothing, nothing will surely change. So that is what I'll leave you with
That
today.
is amazing, Epon. You pinpoint the thing that would like me to tell them also that those kind of stuff that if they can buy expensive thing in their life that is
Yes.
just for just for their maybe also maybe necessity, but if they can also
Yeah.
do this kind of business and put something that they can contribute, right? And I'm glad you say all of those, and I am so proud of you that before when I met you, I think 7 months ago, you're just so quiet, you're just listening, you're very coachable, and now look at you. I never thought you're going to be go on
Yeah,
live
look
in
at
here and
me.
saying all of this, right? Yeah, good luck to your business, and I know you're doing it well. Congratulations
Thank
for
you,
all
thank
of
you,
your
thank you, thank
action takers, and I believe you will go way, 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 far with this online business because you have that passion to
you.
keep
Yeah,
going, never, never quit, and I know you will be a blessing to others because you have that heart to help others to achieve their goals.
all right. Thank you,
Mhm.
Emily. It was so
Yeah.
nice talking to you, and
Mhm.
I hope people get the value in this Q&A section.
Yeah.
So, and
Mhm.
peradventure, you're watching this Q&A section, and you're thinking to yourself, "Oh, the time is right. The time is now, and I'm ready to take that action." So, just
Yeah.
sign up for our free, no cost workshop and see if this is the right fit for you.
Yeah, I believe those. So thank you those people who are currently watching us on live. Thank you so much, and
Yeah.
let's cross this business. And if you haven't seen our complimentary workshop, approach the people who invited you here in this worldwide online entrepreneurs group and ask them how you can watch that specific complimentary pre-workshop. Thank you
Yes,
so
yes,
much.
yes.
Thank you, Empon, for
All right,
accommodating.
take
Yeah.
care.
It's now almost 9 o'clock there
Have
in
a
Abu
nice day.
Dhabi. Nice to have you in this mini talk, and let's have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye bye, guys.
Okay.
See you again next week. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, bye.